Hi, I'm Amir. I'm a managing partner here at Victory Tax Lawyers, and I'm here to tell you about tax liens, federal tax liens to be exact. What is a federal tax lien? Federal tax lien is a judgment filed by the Internal Revenue Service against any taxpayer that has debt. Now, there are a few things you need to know about federal tax liens and how it affects you. Number one, federal tax lien now, as of April of 2018, does not go on your credit report. So good piece of information to know. It should not affect your score. However, a deeper dive will reveal that there is a tax lien filed against you. Number two, when does a federal tax lien get filed? Is it immediate? No. IRS usually will work with you if you owe up to $50,000 on making an arrangement and avoid the filing of a federal tax lien. But once you owe more than $50,000, they will file a tax lien. Now, if you owe more than $50,000 and you don't want to have a tax lien filed, there are some things you can do to avoid the lien being filed. And that's why you need us, so that we can work through what the scenarios are that can get you to that point. Other thing you should know about federal tax liens and when it could potentially affect you is if you're selling a house, if you're trying to refinance on your property. Otherwise, the federal tax lien does not take assets away from you. It is not a seizure. What the federal tax lien does is go on title on your property or any other asset that you have, and if there's a transaction that's going to take place with that property, it'll show up when escrow is completing the transaction, and they will want to get paid. Just because you have a federal tax lien on your property doesn't mean that you can't sell your property either. There are things you can do to complete a transaction, and again, that is something that our office can assist with in getting your tax property sold, or your property sold without a tax lien on it, so the buyer can buy it free of that judgment. If you need help with IRS tax liens, if you're unsure of whether you should have an IRS tax lien filed, please call us. We can walk you through what your options are. You may have options, you may not. We'll let you know what they are if you do, and we are more than happy to help you with that. For more information on IRS tax liens or any other items related to having back taxes or potential questions you have about having any troubles with the IRS, go to our website, www.victorytaxlaw.com. Information regarding IRS tax liens is in an article, as well as frequently asked questions and other articles that can be helpful and specific to your situation.